Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 2 we're going to go over Chapter 3, Lesson 2. So today we're going to be dealing with imaginary numbers, which just stands for I. So I to the first power is still equal to I to the second power is equal to -1, I to the third power is equal to -I to the fourth power is equal to 1. And then it starts repeating this process. So if you just memorize the first four, that's all you need to do. When you have an imaginary number, you want to always write it in the form of the complex numbers, in the form of a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers and I is an imaginary unit. A is also called the real part, b is called the imaginary part. So here's a graphic organizer to help you. Complex numbers plus a plus bi. Real numbers is like b is equal to 0. Imaginary numbers, b is not equal to 0. And you see it's like in its own little category of pure imaginary numbers, a is equal to 0. Alright, so let's try an example of these though. Simplify 12 plus 3i minus -5 plus 2i. I'm going to rewrite this real quick. 12 plus 3i minus -5 plus 2i. So first of all, the first thing I want to do is, I see that there's a negative here. I can make an imaginary one here, because that is there. Now I can see I need to use a distributive property. I have 12 plus 3i. A negative times a negative gives me a positive 5. A negative times a positive will give me now a negative 2i. Now you combine like terms. We have 12 and 5. Remember, we want to keep it in the form of a plus bi. So 12 plus 5 is 17. Now you combine the bi's, which is 3i minus 2i, which gives us -i. And that's it. Now let's try example 4. We want to solve 3x squared plus 12, which is equal to 0. Alright, so then for this one, let's go ahead and solve for x. So minus 12 to both sides. 3x is equal to -12. Oops, missing our square. Divide 3 to both sides. X squared is equal to -4. So in order to get rid of this square, we need to square root both sides. Remember, that also comes with a plus or minus with it. Before, when we had a negative square root, we couldn't do anything about it. But remember, now we're dealing with imaginary numbers, so we can. And -1 can be represented as I. So now we have x, because now these canceled each other out, is equal to plus or minus, well, 4 was still, we can simplify this from the square root of 4, which is 2. But now I can say it's 2i. And don't forget that plus or minus. And that's it.